Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty Oreo dessert box. To make this Oreo dessert box, I am using 2 packs of Oreo biscuit, but instead of this Oreo biscuit, you can use any cream biscuit that you have at home. It need not be made only with this Oreo biscuits. Take these Oreo biscuits in a mixie jar. You can use any flavor of Oreo biscuit, but this tastes better when you use chocolate or vanilla Oreo biscuits. Powder these biscuits in a mixie jar. Make sure there are no lumps. It should be a fine powder like this. Transfer these powdered biscuits into a bowl. To these biscuits, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Melt the butter, add it in and mix it along with the powder. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. If it's not enough, then you can add 1 more tablespoon of butter. Transfer the biscuits into an 8-inch baking dish. Press it nicely and then refrigerate it till we need it. Then take a saucepan and add 2 cups of milk. Along with the milk, add some sugar and add some corn flour. Mix the corn flour well so that there are no lumps in this milk mixture. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check that out. Place the saucepan on a stove. Keep the flame at medium to low and mix the milk until it becomes nice and thick. Keep mixing for about 7 to 8 minutes. After about 7 or 8 minutes, it will start to thicken nicely. Make sure the corn flour doesn't go and settle at the bottom of the saucepan, so keep mixing. Once it's nice and thick like this, remove it from the stove. Now to this milk mixture, we are going to add some more Oreo biscuits. Roughly chop about 6 to 7 Oreo biscuits and add it to this milk mixture and mix it well. Now bring the cake tin from the fridge and transfer this milk mixture on top of the biscuit layer. Spread the biscuits evenly and refrigerate this for about 1 to 1.5 hours. Next, we are going to prepare a glaze layer. For this, I am using Amul dark chocolate. You can use dark or milk chocolate. Use any chocolate that you have at home. Chop it up roughly in a bowl and to the chocolate add some cream or milk. I have added cream. I melted the chocolate and the cream in a microwave. Melt it at 15 seconds break and it will melt beautifully. If you don't have a microwave, then you can melt this chocolate using a double boiler also. Make sure there are no lumps remaining. Now bring the cake tin from the fridge. The second layer has set well. I have left it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Transfer the chocolate ganache on top of the milk layer and spread it evenly. Again, leave this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can decorate this dessert box any way you want. I just placed some chopped Oreo biscuits on top of it. Keep this in the refrigerator till you're ready to serve. So this is it, a very easy and simple but yet tasty Oreo dessert box is done. This Oreo pudding is so creamy and so tasty to eat. Making this pudding is very simple. You can make this with ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. And you don't have to make this with only Oreo biscuits, you can make it with any of your kids' favorite cream biscuits. So do try out this delicious Oreo dessert box. Until next time, bye bye.